here's our tablescape today. Who loves Dachshunds? And who loves fall apples and fall baking? Let me know in the comments. Here's our plate from Hobby Lobby. It's apples and a little Dachshund balancing an apple on his nose. I thought he was so cute. And our coffee cups are also from Hobby Lobby, and they're the same. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's just a wood plate, and these chargers are from Hobby Lobby too. The tablecloth is one I've had for years and years. That is the wrinkled look, which kind of drives me crazy, but you know that's the way it is for fall. These are from Amazon, and same way with the napkin. Our napkin ring is from Temu. This is something I had for years. It's our fall glasses. The apples are from Temu. The sign is. This little dough bowl, that's from Amazon. Hobby Lobby for the little sunflowers, and that one fell over. And this runner, it is from Temu as well. I think it's really pretty. It's got the pumpkins, and it says Home Sweet Home on it. And our Dachshund, they were Hobby Lobby years ago. And I thought they were adorable. I don't bring them out much. I don't know why, but they're just adorable. And that is our tablescape.